The nuances of international trade aren't implicitly clear to most people without thorough research on the specifics of global economy, especially when it comes to practices like importing and exporting. That's why this course is perfect for anyone hoping to gain a foothold in the international market. At approximately 17 hours to complete, this series of lessons will help you gain a better understanding of the logistics of trade, demonstrating how to appropriately assess market opportunities and potential obstacles. You'll also gain an awareness of techniques for sustainable positioning and how to get your products to and through marketing and distribution channels. If you want to conduct business on a global scale, but you need to brush up on the requirements and best practices, this course will help you do just that. If you're new to the subject, it's the perfect, helpful beginner's insight into the world of importing and exporting.